HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hi kids! Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are also changing. That's right, boys and girls, we are going to draw and paint a Christmas tree. First we're making the outline. And done! Now it's time to paint. Let's do it neat and nice. Keep going. Nice! Brilliant! What a great shade of green! That's it, that's the last part. Keep going, almost done. And it's complete! What goes at the top of the tree? That's right, a star! Let's first draw an outline. That's right, straight and neat. And done! Now time to paint. Yellow, glittering, shiny star. Oh, this is so much fun. Filling it in. Staying in between our lines. Excellent, nice and neat. 2 more points to go. This is so much fun. Last one. We're almost done. Just fill in the center. And magic! Our star is done. What next? Let us make the ornaments for our Christmas tree. Let's draw an outline first. We're going to make some balls. First one's going to have curvy lines. Let's draw another one. Right, this one's going to have spots. Woohoo! Now what should we do for our third one? How about curvy lines? Excellent. Right, let's paint. How about a bit of bronze? And some purple. And some yellow. And pink. Well done. And blue. Gorgeous bauble. Let's paint the curvy one. Bronze again. How about some yellow first? And on the bottom too. And just one other colour in the middle. Some pink. Yellow and pink curvy bauble. Gorgeous. Now for our spotty one. Bronze again for the top part. How about red? Yay, let's do it red. Painting around those spots carefully. You can use a small paintbrush for this. Keep it nice and neat and tidy. Almost there. And done! Time to paint our spots. How about some yellow? Brilliant! Red and yellow polka dot bauble. Last one. Yes, done! Now what next? I know, let's make holly. Let's draw the outline first. 3 round circles. And some leaves. 3 leaves, I think. There, that was nice and easy, wasn't it? Now time to paint them. How about some green for the leaves? Paint it nice and slow. Ho, ho, ho. What a gorgeous shade of green, just like our Christmas tree. Sparkly leaves. Excellent. And done. Now for the berries. Red, of course. Gorgeous. One circle at a time. There! Brilliant! Now, let us draw some bells. First the outline, of course. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Right, let's paint it. Let's paint the top part red. And yellow for the bell. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. And some bronze. There, brilliant! Jingle bells! Now, let us make some more ornaments. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring for you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Brilliant! Some teardrop ornaments. Fantastic. Let's paint those in too. Some bronze, just like our round baubles. Pink. A nice colourful Christmas. Yellow. Now for our second one. What colour shall we use? Red! Yes! Let's have red on our pointy bauble. On the top and the bottom. Now what colour should go in the middle? How about green? Brilliant! Our third and final one. This one's going to be purple. Yeah, keeping a nice variety of colours to make it interesting, and some turquoise. Two of my favourite colours ever. Zigzag, zigzag, ziggity zag. Zig, zig, zag, zag, ziggity zag. Yes! Wow, that looks amazing. Right, now for the gingerbread man. Let us make his outline. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. So the woman and the man and the cat and the dog and the cow and the horse all ran after the gingerbread man. There, smiley face, little bow tie. Oh, and some buttons. Let's paint. Lovely pastely pinky gingery colour. I love gingerbread men, they're so tasty. Brilliant. Now carefully just painting around all of our lines. Around our bow tie and our little buttons. Very, very neatly and carefully. There. Right. Some brown for our hands and feet. Keep our hands and feet looking really neat. Yes. Now, what colour shall we do next? Red for our bow tie. And green for our buttons. Gorgeous gingerbread man. Right, done. Now, let us finally decorate our Christmas tree. Here goes the star and the baubles and the holly, the bell, the other ornaments and the gingerbread man. Yay! We did it, kids! Good job! Merry Christmas, everyone! Have a magical Christmas!